welcome back to my channel. Today I have a guest,
Ayana from Thrifting Diva.
and I'm so excited. Today we are collabing together to do a really cool thrifted refresh of some items that we got from the thrift store. So I'll be doing reworking a footstool, and she will be reworking a rocking chair. So
I'm excited.
So excited.
Very, very excited.
It's gonna be so fun. So expect to see more from us, and stay tuned to see what we make today. Alrighty, hi guys. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about me. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, my name is Alex and I am AJ, the creative tinkerer. And basically on this channel, I do lots of different things, mainly fashion and style. And then also I'm trying to do more home decor for you guys. So that's what this video is. So I'm so excited today to have Ayana from the Thrifting Diva to help me bring this into my channel. This will be part of a new series of reworking thrifted finds. So thank you so much for tuning in. And you know, I would love if you dig the vibe, subscribe, and if you like this video, definitely do that as well. And then do not forget about that little bell to turn on notifications. Thanks so much, and stay tuned to see what we make. It'll be good, guys. The materials that we need for this project are pretty simple. So some paint, a paintbrush, staple gun for the upholstery, some fabric, and you'll see the rest. So I'm not gonna name them all out, but we're gonna get this project on the road. So first we're gonna start with the bones of the project. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bones. And so basically you're just gonna watch a little quick montage of me unscrewing a bunch of screws. For some reason, I find this very soothing to watch. Hopefully you do too and don't think it's boring. Okay guys, so here you can see I am trying to pry and chip this weird texture that the previous person that painted this stool put on here. It was literally such a pain. Oh my goodness. And then finally, one eternity later, I was still chipping away. For thought, when you are picking out something you're going to redo, make sure you check to see if you need to strip the paint. That process did not do that, and this, whoever redid this stool or made this stool in its creation, it's this really thick, disgusting, textured spray paint, I think, and it is really difficult to take off. So I'm going to use the heavy duty stuff. I'm going to use a power sander to get this off, and then we can proceed with the rest of the upcycle. I trust you. Usually these things are not this difficult. I promise you. Do not be deterred. It is good, guys. We are doing well. Okay. We are going to try again with the heavy duty tool. Power sander. Yes. I will not be defeated, guys. Not today. Let's go check in with Ayana. So walk us through your process. Well, just give us a little bit of a snippet.
Okay.
What's your process?
So right now, cleaned off the chair with a rag. As I said, this chair did not need sanding. It was completely smooth all over. I was amazed at that. And that's actually that's probably the part I hate the worst, sanding. I am using chalk paint, which requires no sanding, but I still do a little bit of prep just so I could get it perfect. And then now I'm using my red paint. And I am beautiful shade. Using just a regular brush that I picked up from Home Depot. No special brush needed, no special skills. And just going in and
we like that.
Getting it in there.
Are you a perfectionist? Question.
You know, in the beginning I started off being a perfectionist, and then by
you're over
an hour in it, I'm like, all right, just come on. It's just a chair. I'm not selling this at the furniture store. So let's just get it in there and get out. So,
Also very true. But look how beautiful it's coming along, guys.
Thank you.
It's peanut butter painting time. Peanut butter painting time. Okay, yeah, sorry. I'm really cheesy. You probably already know that if you have been following this channel for a while. But cue the painting montage. And yes, you guessed it, it's time for reupholstering. I actually already had this fabric laying around in my house because I am somewhat of a hoarder of fabric. But anyways, yeah, let's attach the fabric. And we're almost done. Oh my goodness. Will you let us know what was your, idea when you thrifted your piece? Like, what were you thinking?
Sure. So I'll be honest, I've been looking, I have a beautiful porch and the kids play outside every day that it's possible from spring to winter. And I do want to sit out there and talk with them and play with them and watch them. But I've been looking for the perfect rocking chair. And can I tell you, those things are expensive.
They're hard to find. They're so expensive.
They are expensive. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to find this in a thrift store. So I just waited. And that's part of thrifting, is just patience. And last week I went to Goodwill, and as I walked in, it was just sitting there waiting for me. And I was like, oh.
She sent me a text message. She was like, Alex, look at this. I cannot leave it. It's not going to be here if I don't get it.
Exactly.
And I was like, get it.
Yes. And it was $14. It's gorgeous. It looked like, beautiful bones, and just, it was waiting for me. It was waiting for me, and I'm going to repaint it a red, chalk paint red. The house is blue, so I think it's just gonna pop against the colors in the porch.
She's really good with color combinations, you guys. Like, really good.
And I just wanted something bright and that I could sit out there and hang with a glass of wine while the kids are out playing. So I am
summer vibes.
Summer. It's all about the summertime. So I'm excited about this project. I'm excited about using the piece, actually. And so I can't wait to see how it turns out.
It's gonna be so good. You guys have got to check out her channel for the finished product. I'm gonna show you a bit here, but you gotta go to her channel. You have to. And I will leave all of her information down below again. Do it, do it, do it. You will not be disappointed. I'm gonna do these fingers all this whole time, okay? Let's go back and look at the before and after. It's crazy. All it took was a little bit of paint, some time. I mean, minus the whole, chipping away at the nasty, glittery thing that was on there. But we are done. Look at this. It's beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so we finished our projects and I am so excited. This is like the best collab ever. And so make sure you check out Ayana's page. It is the Thrifting Diva. I will leave all her information below. So definitely check out her channel and subscribe. She's a great follow, I promise you. She does content weekly. Make sure, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you do that and you hit the notification bell so you are alerted every time I post a new thing. Thank you so much for hanging out. And thank you for, if you made it all the way to the end of this and you get to see this. It means a ton to both of us.
Now in my younger days I used to sport his dad. When I went to school I carried lunch in a bag with the apple for my teacher, cause I knew I'd get a kiss